And welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Deidran. Reggae songstress Lila Ike was recently invited to Paris Fashion Week by iconic British footwear brand Clarks. Lila shared these photos on her Instagram, thanking them for the invite, adding that she had mad fun and met some cool people. Last December, the UK-based shoe manufacturer and retailer highlighted Lila after she was spotted wearing the brand during her performance in France while on her Europe Sound System tour. Clarks has been a favorite of Jamaican reggae and dancehall artists and was glorified and immortalized in their songs dating as far back as the 1970s. Earlier this year, the brand reposted dancehall artist Javilani's song Clarks One Foot, dubbing it a summer anthem for Clarks and Jamaica. Javilani later followed up with a new release titled Suede Clarks. In celebration of Jamaican artists' love affair with the brand, One Love Books founder Al Fingers assembled a compilation of tracks dubbed Clarks in Jamaica. The compilation featured 21 songs from entertainers such as Supercat, Little John, Dillinger, Trinity, and Ranking Joe, and was followed up by a book of the same title. Clarks made a huge resurgence amongst young people in Jamaica following the release of Vybz Kartel's Clarks song, which also featured Popcorn and Gaza Slim, and which was featured on his Pon de Gaza album. Desert Fun Foot and dancehall and hip-hop reality star and artist Safari has released his official debut album dubbed Straight. The album features 10 tracks and one bonus track and sees Safari teaming up with artists such as Barachi, Dai Dai, Ricky Blaze, Ver Simmons, Jamil, Sean Kingston, and his Love and Hip Hop New York co-star Papoose. Safari was recently spotted in New York making promotion runs for the album. Straight is said to be a fusion of hip-hop and island jams and sees songs like Parasites, Why, Pray For Me, No Regular Girl featuring Jamil among others. Safari and Jamil teamed up on the No Regular Girl track back in March last year. The track has since gained over 1.9 million views on streaming platform YouTube.
No regular, my girl, no regular girl, no regular, she's no regular.
Safari today hosted the release party in New York City for the album. Canadian singer and songwriter Justin Bieber is gearing up to release his new album. After more than 4 years, Justin Bieber's fifth studio album dubbed Changes is set to be released on February 14. Focused on the creation of his new album. Bieber's last album was in 2015 titled Purpose. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Deidran. Thank you for watching.